In a small town named Greenwood, Emily worked as a school librarian. She was loved by the students and teachers. One sunny morning, Emily discovered that a rare book had disappeared from the special collection in the library. The book was last seen the evening before when Emily had shown it to a curious student. As the news spread through Greenwood, everyone was shocked. The rare book had historical value and was considered a town treasure. However, suspicion fell on Emily. Some thought perhaps she had taken the book herself to sell it, as no one else had access to the collection during the time. Words like "under a cloud of suspicion" floated around, darkening her reputation. Emily felt hurt and isolated. Friendly faces turned away when she walked through the hallways, and whispers followed her everywhere. Determined to clear her name, she decided to find the real culprit. One afternoon, Emily noticed a group of students whispering in the corner of the library. She approached them quietly, careful not to startle them. They were discussing a plan about sneaking back into the library after hours. Emily's heart pounded. She needed to catch them in the act to prove her innocence. With the help of the school janitor, Mr. Johnson, she set up a camera in the library. Late at night, the camera recorded two students sneaking into the library, retrieving the book from behind a shelf where it had been hidden. The next day, Emily presented the evidence to the principal. With the true story revealed, her name was cleared, and she was no longer under a cloud. The town's respect for Emily returned, and the students who had taken the book apologized and returned it to its rightful place. From that day forward, whenever Emily heard someone say "under a cloud," she remembered the tough time she went through, but also how she emerged stronger and more respected than ever.